Hello everyone, welcome to the how to channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram note feature not showing. Now Instagram launched a new feature where you can get the notes option. Now when you get to your chat or your messages, you get to see notes at the top there. Now guys, this was normally not there, but now it has been introduced by Instagram. Now guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix this if you do not have it on your Instagram. For our very first solution is going to be for those with multiple accounts. Now this personally worked for me because I have two accounts. Now, all that is required for you is to switch between your accounts. Now, you need to go into one account and go back to the other. Do that for multiple times. Now, this can actually get you the notes feature. Now, you just want to switch, just interchange between your accounts. Now, our second solution is going to be switching up your account from professional or business mode to a personal Instagram account. So to switch it up, all you need to do is to tap on the profile icon at the bottom left hand corner of your screen. And then guys, you're going to be tapping on the three lines at the top right hand corner of the screen. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now you want to search and scroll over to where you see account type. Now this is where it's going to enable you to switch from a professional mode to a personal mode. Now as you can see, my account already is in a personal mode, so I don't really need to switch up anything. But if yours is in a professional mode, all you need to do is to switch it up to a personal mode, and this actually can give you the note feature on your Instagram. Now guys, another solution is going to be logging in and out of your account. Now all it takes sometimes to solve this note feature problem is to log out and then log back in, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can log out from your account for those who do not know how to do that. Now you want to tap on your profile icon at the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and then guys, you're going to be tapping on the three lines at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you're going to be tapping on settings and privacy, then scroll over to where you see log out. Now this is how simple it is to log out of your account. Now after logging out, you just want to log back in, and this might actually solve the problem for some people. Now another solution is going to be leaving the beta program. Now some people have already joined the beta program, and this actually can be making your Instagram not have the Instagram notes feature. Now all you want to do is to leave the program. Now, in order for you to leave this program, you need to head over to your Play Store. Now you're going to tap on the search bar and search for your Instagram. Now tap on Instagram and scroll over to where you see join the beta program. Now it's asking me to join because I've not yet joined this beta program. But for you who has joined, you will be seeing leave there. Now all you need to do is to leave the beta program because this program might be making you not get some certain features which the note feature happen to be part of it. So if you want to get that note feature, you have to leave the beta program. Now guys, the next one is going to have to be updating your application. Now the reason why sometimes you don't have the note feature is because the Instagram app you're using is not up to date, so you need to update it. So your Instagram application should be looking like this if yours is updated. Now guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the how to channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.